Alright guys, today is going to be our review on this amazing machine right here. Let me just clean out that dirt. So this is a Bissell powerforce bagged model 1739, supposedly from, I'm pretty sure, 2016. So the first thing I want to go about is first of all how to change the bag. So y'all might not know how to do it, so here's the review on it. So what you want to do is just pull this down to open. As you can see, it says it right there. So just pull it down like that, and it would eventually pop out. Just don't do it way too aggressively, because then it might break. So here we got Febreze Bissell Style 7 bags that fits upright vacuums, obviously. So if you own this exact machine, I am very sure this is going to be the cheapest thing that you can get that should fit this. So as you can see, I still have that paper bag in it from when it's brand new, because this thing is only 1 day old, or if even. So once you pop this cover open, you want to grab this right here, and then as you can see, there's this little cardboard thing. You want to grab the top and kind of push it out a little bit, then go down to the bottom, and just like that, it pops out. So now, when you replace the bag, you can grab these Febreze Bissell Style 7 bags. You don't have to get the exact same thing. You can get a different kind of bag that still fits this exact machine. And also, you do have a little felt filter right here that is, I'm very sure, is washable right here. And so how to install a new bag is pretty easy. You just gotta I'm just gonna pretend like this is the new bag, since I don't even need to replace the bags yet, because this thing is barely even full. So but anyways, what you want to do is get your new bag, and then just like before, you just want to grab this cardboard piece, but then you want to I'm doing this all with one hand. You want to grab the cardboard piece like this, start at the top, and then put it on here. Use 2 hands, by the way. Then you want to kind of push it like on, which I'm gonna have to do off camera. Grab your 2 hands, and then hold both the sides of the cardboard piece. Then hold on to both the extension wand and the cord, and just push it a little bit, and it will just push it back a little bit, and it'll go in just like this. And then you gotta push the back a bit inward, and then you can just get this amazing looking cover, and then line this piece up right here with this, and then it'll just go right on, and then you can just push it a little bit, and you got perfect, and then it'll go right in. And so yeah, so these are, I'm pretty sure, the same fits. Correct me if I'm not. So yeah, and hopefully I am right, because obviously I'm probably right, guys. Style 7 is like what all these kinds of newer-ish style Bissell take is about. Anything style 7, I guess. Anyways, yeah, so obviously we got the height adjustment right here. 5 settings. High carpet. I call this one decent carpet, medium carpet, low carpet, and then bare floor, which it doesn't come with a brushless shutoff. So, and it also does not have a squeegee on the bottom, so it will most likely would scatter debris, which to be honest, about every vacuum does. About almost any vacuum you find in a Walmart does not come with a brushless shutoff, because the only vacuums with a brushless shutoff is most sharks and hoovers and stuff. So yeah. So if you have carpets, I definitely do not recommend putting it all the way on bare floor, thinking about deep clean. But obviously you know that you're gonna burn the belt first of all. Like you'll stretch the belt out super far, and you'll eventually burn the belt if you do it for too long, and you'll also burn the carpet. So yeah. Also, another thing to not do is use this without the bag in it, because that would then the stuff could get into the motor, and then the vacuum is gonna be completely shot. So this isn't the turbo variant of the machine, but it still comes with 3 attachments, including a dusting brush, which comes off easily like this, almost like a combo tool thing, and it just slides back in, which is kind of hard to do with one hand, so I'll do it kind of off camera. You just push it back in that same direction. Then it comes with both an extension line crevice tool, but not regular kind of like Helix super short and stubby crevice tool. It actually comes with a super long and nice crevice tool right here. So yeah, so we're gonna put this back in here and put it back on here. This is also a model that comes with a stretch hose, which is very nice, and I'm very appreciative that Bissell made this have an extra little hose that like stretches and all. Yeah, we'll talk about this. I took this extension one off of my Bissell powerforce TLX 1700. This would be an extension one, and another extension one for this. I'll just put it right there where the hose is supposed to go. It won't affect anything really. It comes with a 23-foot cord, and it has obviously the middle shiny prongs. This obviously is a machine that comes with a spinning brush roll and belt and everything. It almost just tipped and fell, but good thing I caught in time. And this has a very nice feature. If you want to vacuum underneath your bed, then you don't have to spend so much extra money for a lift-away vacuum like a shark, as you can just buy this, and because this part's completely flat, you can just hold this all the way down until it's like this, and it wouldn't go too off the ground, and you can get all the way under your bed. And yeah, that's a very nice feature, and I've already used that feature, and it's very nice. Obviously, you guys should know how to unbox it, as I showed you in that one video. And why not give this thing a run, just to show y'all. So we're gonna put our Febreze bags up here, and we will unwrap a portion of our cord here, and then we'll plug this in here. And yeah, let's show y'all how it runs. It is the regular 8-amp motor that you get in both the 2016 and 2019 era machines, because this is specifically from the 2016 era. This is pretty cool. And yeah, so we're just gonna wind this cord back up here. There's not much else to explain about this. really, because I went over about everything. But yeah, the parts should be pretty easy for you to find, like a bag cover, the handles, and everything. And so yeah, we can definitely turn this over to see the model and stuff. So it's probably kind of blurry, but as you can see, it's the model 1739. I'm pretty sure that says actually I don't know what that says. 260th day of 2016. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it's an 8-amp motor. Has pretty good airflow, I suppose. Has the exhaust. The exhaust is super strong. It blows out a lot of dust. So you kind of got a free hair dryer with that one, and a free fan that blows kind of hot air, but still. Yeah, it is a household type, as you can see. It's zoom in here. See, 120 volt, 60, whatever that says, HZ, 8 amps. And yeah, the Bissell 0DGC for a bag. This one is really still and good. This house is very clear, as it hasn't been used too often. Wheels are in really good shape, unlike my 1700, which has horrible wheels that are about to fall off. Okay, it has a hose similar to a mainstays vacuum, because you attach it right here about the same way. It looks the same too, which is kind of interesting, I guess. I also think this whole Bissell logo, it comes off when you take the cover off, as you can see, which is also interesting, because no other upright bagless Bissell has a feature for that whole logo to come off without like 500 screws coming off. But yeah, so very amazing machine. It has a carry handle similar to the older styles. This is not like back here, right here. It's instead right here, right by the bag opening thing. And it's actually only I think 12 or 11 pounds, because it doesn't have a super heavy bin like the Helix does. And it just has a bag, so it makes it 10 times lighter too. My 3313 Helix, my 3313U, it actually is it feels featherweight to me. But yeah, I think that's all I gotta go over with this thing. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope this helps in some way. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.